I was born on May 29th, 2004. I was probably the baldest little baby you would ever see. I didn't grow much hair until the age of 3, so I basically just looked like a 60-year-old man the first 3 years of my life. As I was growing up, I would say I moved a lot. My parents divorced when I was around 6 or 7, and I just lived with my mom for a while. The house we lived in was too expensive, so we had to leave. My mom is very dedicated to her work and is tired all the time. So since I was little, I've been taking care of my brother a lot. I mean, not that he's older now. To keep it brief, I lived in Ozark, Bolivar, Willard, and then Springfield. Except, during the time I've been living in Springfield, I definitely have moved around. A lot. The reason I stayed in the same school district the whole time, though, was because of where my dad was staying. All of the times that I lived in Ozark, Bolivar, and Willard, that was in one school year. And then I finally got to go to McBride Elementary in 4th grade. I didn't have an actual house to live in with my dad until I was in 7th grade. And before that, on my dad's days of the week, we just stayed at my grandparents' house, which I'm not complaining about. Now though, we are about to actually buy a house for the first time in almost 10 years. Nowadays, I'm almost a completely different person. I surprise myself at how different my music, personality, and character is.